Hello and welcome to Indranath Roy's classes. Today I will discuss an interesting topic called precedence and associativity. What is precedence and what is associativity? So before going into the topic, I will cover some background. Like precedence means suppose you have a complex expression like 2 into 3 plus 5. So there is a confusion, right? You have to evaluate 2 into 3 first, then plus 5 had to be done. So that thing we know the PEMDAS and BODMAS, their rules which have to be evaluated first and after that which have to be evaluated. So for that context, the thing is that in computer also we have to programmatically configure that which expression is to be evaluated first and which is next, and that for that reason the precedence and associativity comes into function. So what is precedence means which operator, there are various types of operators, means 2 plus 3. So here 2 is an operand, 3 is an operand, and plus is an operator. So which operator has to be evaluated first in case of complex expressions? So there are various rules which have been given in the C programming language. Here the you can see the operators and associativity. There are two types of things, and I will discuss it what is it and how to do evaluate the expressions, complex expressions. So here is an operator called third braces, here first braces, and arrow operator and dot operator, that is left to right associative. Meaning is what? Then these are the precedence, means if you have an expression like it is having this operator first and or this operator first, so you have to evaluate that first, after that you go to the next level, and then next, like that you have to evaluate. Then if an operator like this happens, like 2 plus 3 into 5, okay, the writing must maybe small, but you have to understand that 2 plus 3, there is a two operators, plus operator, this operator, and star operator. Here for that computer, this operator, that first braces comes first because it is having the higher precedence than all the operators. So this has to be this expression has to be evaluated first. That is the reason. And 2 plus 3 equals to 5, 5 into 5 equals to 25. That is the answer. So now you are getting a clear picture what is precedence and associativity. So I will talk about associativity now. So there are, suppose there are 2 plus, there this like this, 2 plus 3 into 5 minus 1. So here you can see that the associativity of the precedence of plus and precedence of minus is the same. In that context, what you have to do, you have to operate from left to right. So left expression first operated and then right expression. That is the meaning of associativity. If in an expression there are two same type of precedence operators, then which operator has to be evaluated first, and after that which have to be evaluated. For that reason associativity comes into picture. So here you can make a note of it. I will, these are not all the operators, I will cover all the operators in this video only. You have to make a note of it. So please pause the video, and what are the operators and associativity, please make a note of it. Okay, now I will discuss the the type of operators, no, not second, the remaining operators, which are the associativity is what and precedence is what. So here the highest precedent, after that this precedence, it is top down, high to low approach. Okay, this as having high precedence, this is next, and next, so on. So here the associativity is given, which operators is left associative and right associative, these are the things. So here you can see all the operators are almost all the operators are left to right associative. Only the plus minus and size of is an operator, type is an operator, ampersand is an operator. So these operator has to be evaluated from right to left. That means in the right portion we have to evaluate first, after that the left portion. Okay, now I will show the next operators in now. So I will give you a mind mapping technique at the last, so how you can remember all these. But for now you can note it down. Is ampersand to the power, and these are all the operators, and this is ternary operator. You know about it. Actually in C programming it is very important. Ternary operator, it has right to left associativity, remember it. So ternary operators have right to left of associativity, and this, sorry, ternary operator, and these are all the operators, plus equal to, star equal to. There we can a equals to a plus 1, we can write it like this: a plus equal to 1, both are same. So when we combine the operators, that type of operators had to have is evolved there, that is there in the C programming language. These are having almost least precedence but right to a left associativity. And last operator is comma, the least significant, or sorry, not significant, least precedence having the operator is comma. So comma is left to right associativity, associative. So please make a note of it. You can pause the video and please make a note of it, and at last I will give you a shortcut how to remember all these things. Okay, now I'm erasing it. You can pause the video and remove it. Okay, thank you. Now there is some concept called short circuiting is there. Means I will explain you with an example, like A and sorry, not and, uh, suppose here is an expression, something is there, and here is an expression, something is there. So in case of, if the boolean value is 1, and we are not considering the what is here, sorry, my mistake. If the boolean value is 0 here at the first place, if we get the boolean value as 0, then we do not evaluate the second portion, because anyway the in answer will be 0 only na. There is no chance that if see that, let's see, 0 and 1, it is 0, 0 and 0, it is 0. So if we get first that is the concept of short circuiting. If you get the first expression as 0, we do not evaluate the next expression. We will do an interesting problem in the next video, how to deal with these operators. Now let's see the shortcut. You have learned about short circuiting and all, and one more point is there. Okay, point is unary plus and star have more precedence than binary ones. Binary. Okay. Unary plus operator, star operator is there. Actually, star operator is used for pointers, that is having higher precedence than this. So this is that needs to be remembered. So please make a note of it, and I am using it. Okay. Okay. Now I will give you the shortcut. Shortcut is you ask black. Okay. U stands for what? Unary operators. U stand for unary operators. A stands for arithmetic operators. This is shift operator. That A needs to be U. Shift operators. That is operator. That is binary operator. Binary operator. This is logical operator. Okay, and this is assignment operator. Assignment operator. And last, the comma operator. Comma operator. This is the shortcut trick. U is the highest precedent and C is the lowest precedent. So precedence goes from high to low, this way. So here in that way you can remember the precedence, and always remember that assignment operator is right associative, means right to left, and the these operator, which can I say, the ternary operator is right to left associative, and these almost all remaining all the operators are left to right associative. So you have to remember it. Okay, here is now over. So in the next video we'll see about some complex expression, how to evaluate some complex expression, and tab tak ke liye dhanyawad.